The perfect brew to put you in the holiday mood, Sangria is fruity, light and super easy to make. You don't need crazy tools or any bartending skills to make this fresh, fruity and fabulous drink. Red wine sangria is festive and fun, a perfect party punch to pair with a drunken brunch. Start by making a cinnamon spice syrup for sweetness and flavor. Mix equal parts water and sugar. Add cinnamon and star anise. These flavors perfectly complement red wine. Mix this until all the sugar dissolves and the syrup thickens slightly. We recommend you to make this in advance to reduce hassle on the party day and allow the flavors to develop. Now for the final assembly, add wine to a pitcher. Try to use inexpensive wine for this, as you will be masking its true taste with the additions. Next, add the cinnamon syrup, some orange juice, a tipple of brandy for an extra boozy kick. Now, we'll slice up some crisp apples and some juicy oranges and add those in as well. Fruit infuses the wine with fresh flavor and sweetness and gives the sangria a fun confetti vibe. Refrigerate this until you're ready to serve. When serving, top it up with some club soda and garnish with a cinnamon stick and some rosemary for color and fragrance. Even the laziest cooks can whip up this sangria right in the serving glass with no chopping or minimal effort. Start with long stem glasses and squeeze in some lemon juice. A couple spoons of castor sugar, which will dissolve faster than granulated sugar. To this, we'll add a splash of brandy, which is optional but recommended. Stir it all in until the sugar dissolves into the amber liquid. Then, go in with the rosé. You can vary the sugar to your taste, of course, because rosé is a sweeter wine. Then, pop in your berries. We've got fresh raspberries, sweet blueberries and some beautiful strawberries which we chopped up because they were a bit large. You can also mash them up and add a puree to this for some extra fruity flavor. Top it up with club soda and a sprig of mint for freshness. And just like that, you're ready to get your bubbly on. If you're a white wine junkie, then this sangria is perfect for you. We start by cubing some honeydew melons and musk melons. We're using a melon baller to get some cute round shapes, but you can just as easily cut the fruit normally. We're also going to make a fruit mixture using the honeydew and some white wine. This will help infuse the sangria with a sweet melon flavor. If you're making this last minute and don't have time to soak the fruits for long, then this method is a great little treat. Now add the puree to a jug or even a large mason jar. Follow this up with some brandy or some white rum, both of which are optional. Now add in the wine. Any inexpensive type will do. Add the melons, some vibrant kiwis, and a few slices of lemon and let it chill. When serving, you can add some club soda or seltzer and garnish with a lime wedge. You can choose to add ice to these or skip it based on your preference. Serve these up at your next shindig and we promise people will be begging for the recipes. We hope this video lifts your spirits. Thanks for watching and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.